Hey beautiful beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and a new month is upon us, which means it is time for another BB Craft video. So for those of you who don't know, bbcraft.com is an online craft and jewelry making supply type store. They do have items shipping from a US warehouse and a China warehouse. If you're in the US like I am, definitely filter their website to the $25 free shipping. That way you can get products shipped to you for free if you spend $25 or more. And again, that is select products. And real quick, the items I'm showing you here today, when I picked them out, they were available from the US warehouse. However, some of these things might not be available right now, but they do tend to flip-flop back and forth. So if something's not available at the moment, you can always check back and see. And the other thing is, everything is wrapped so well when I get things from bbcraft.com. I mean, they're in several different layers of wrapping, so I've never had a problem personally with anything that's been shipped to me. So I did take everything out of the layers of packaging today, and I just wanted to point that out just to save some time and some crinkling. So these cabochons here that I'm about to talk about, they came in this plastic case, but they were also in bubble wrap that were also in this box, which was also wrapped, which was also in another bag. So everything was really taken care of. But I've laid all these out just to save a little time and to let you guys look at something while I'm explaining all of that information. But these are on their website right now for $13.01. These are mixed sizes and mixed stones and mixed shapes, as you can see, but they're gorgeous. I don't have a single one that's broken or chipped here. You can see there's all different kinds that I received, and this would be a random assortment. So if you were to order this, you may not get the exact same cabochons as me. You may get a little bit different selection, but this is the general idea. And actually, it looks like I've received 25 instead of 24, so that's pretty cool. You can see a nice assortment. I mean, there's a lot of different stones here. There's the blue gold stone, the regular gold stone, cherry quartz, maybe some moonstone, some howlite, turquoise howlite, sodalite, lapis, some amethyst. So all different things, even some unakite. I'm not a gemstone expert by any means, and I don't claim to be, so there's things on here that I have seen and cannot remember the names, but hey, we're all learning. So anyway, based on the 24 pieces, that would make all of these about like 54 cents a piece, which is a great deal. And they're just all very smooth and very nice quality. So I was really excited to get this assortment. I was glad to see when I put in my order that they were available from the US warehouse because I had been eyeing these quite a bit. I'll just give you a little close-up on some of these so you can see how nice these are. But they are very good quality, very smooth and shiny, and definitely genuine stone. So I'm excited to try some beading around these, and if I do, I will definitely share, of course. You can also glue these to a bail or some other type of bezel or finding to make jewelry out of them, a ring base, all different kinds of things. But there's so many in here and such a great variety. I'm glad I didn't get like 5 of the same thing, and that's what I was curious about, if the variety is actually as good as it says on their website. So it looks like it is. So next I got this bag of 50 pieces of hollow bell brass flower bead caps. These are a 15 by 12 millimeter size, so they're pretty decent sized. And as you can see, there's a mix of different colors, and again, these were wrapped really, really well. This is just the final layer of packaging in this bag, but there's quite a bit here. So you can see the mixed color, there's some silver tone, there's some of this darker kind of a gunmetal type color, there's this bright copper color right here, and also some gold. So I like the design on these. It's kind of open and it has a little floral design. They're very pretty. So these are going to be great in particular for multi-strand necklaces. I'm really excited to use them for that. They have nice wide openings, so they'll be able to accommodate lots of strands of seed beads or just multiple strands of larger bead necklaces. Of course, you can use them for bracelets as well, and even for earrings. So there's a lot of possibilities with these. So if you're new to my channel, also, not only do I share these hauls, but I do share what I come up with these things. Of course, it does take me time to work through all these materials every month, but I do come back with at least one video showing you something that I've done or a tutorial using some of these products. So on their website, these are $17.21. It does look like these are available from the US warehouse at this point. And again, you get 50 of these, so that's enough for like 25 necklaces. So the next thing I want to share with you is some more cup chain, and I know I've gotten cup chain in probably the past couple of videos, but they again go back and forth with their stock, and this time I found that this multicolored cup chain was available. It's gorgeous. It is $8.49 right now on their website, and there are a whole 10 yards on this roll, so it's a good size roll. I currently have silver and gold, and I wanted to add something else to my collection because I would like to come back in the future, and I've said this previously that I would like to do a video about cup chain and show you multiple ways to use it. So haven't had a chance to do that yet, but it is on the list, and I'm working through things as fast as I possibly can, so look for that in the future at some point. Here's a look at this. So this is 2mm. It's a very, very small size cup chain. They also have some available sometimes in, I think, 4mm, and I just wanted to give you a little look at these rhinestones. So it's kind of random how the colors are showing up on that. It is beautiful. It's got some bright red, green, aqua, deep blue, and I think some amber colored stones as well. So I look forward to playing with that and sharing some more with you at some point in the future. Also, it looks like that cup chain is still available from the US warehouse, as well as this next set, which I'm about to show you. So this is a set of 90 pieces of antique Tibetan silver colored chandelier earring and other type of findings. This is $15.49 on their website, and it does come in this really nice plastic case, so everything is divided out really nice, and this is something I've been eyeing for a little while too. Had to take the tape off that, so I'm telling you guys, not only is this in the plastic case, but it was also wrapped up on the outside, and then they taped it, so I mean everything's wrapped up really, really well. And also I just like to make sure I mention, especially if you're new here, that even though bbcrafts sends me these products, if I'm not happy with something, I'm gonna let you know. I'm not being paid to do this video. Yes, they're sending me free products, but this is also my honest review and first impressions of what I'm getting. So if there's something I'm displeased about, I'm not afraid to tell you. We have lots of different things going on in here that I'm excited about. We have some really nice chandelier earring findings right here, and here's some more. Lots of different places to hang beads off of these. Some other random findings. Oh, I really like this. This is cute. Here's another match to that. I look forward to using these. Some smaller chandelier earring, teardrop type findings. And then check these out. Aren't these pretty? These could be used and incorporated as a gorgeous pendant for a necklace. Lots of different places to bead around. You can bead around these, you can use wire, you can use resin. There's all different things you can do with these. I always think it's ideal when they're double-sided, like the same on both sides, and it doesn't look like these are, so just an FYI on that. But you do get so many different things to play with, and as long as you design your piece where, you know, things aren't going to be flipping around on you all the time, it's not a big deal. These are cool too. There's different things underneath these other findings as well. So there's all kinds of treasures in this little box. And then for my butterfly lovers, check these out. These are very nice. And they're very sturdy. Because I know you may be wondering, well, can you bend that? You know, how sturdy is it? It's very sturdy. I'm pretty strong, and it would take a good amount of force for me to snap this. So this isn't going anywhere. It's very, very sturdy. Here's a look at the back of that. So it's got some little holes down here where you could hang something off of, and then of course all the little holes it has in here, you could use those in all different ways as well. So $15.49 on their website for that right now, and they not only have the silver, but they also have the antique brass set, which I hadn't gotten yet. And this one is $12.49. There are 60 pieces in it, so a little bit less than the amount that's in the silver container. This also doesn't come in the box that the silver findings come in, which is totally fine, but I just want to point that out. These are available right now from the US as well, and so many different things in here. So it looks like the same types of shapes as the silver. So like here's the butterfly again. And actually there are some differences. So here's a different butterfly. I like that one even better. That's really cool. Looks like they even have little places on here where you could glue some rhinestones. So that would be pretty. Lots of those. Then we have just some additional types of chandelier earring findings and all different sizes. So great assortment here. It's just something I like to have on hand. And I've gone through a lot of my filigree and metal findings, so I'm happy to add these things to my collection to be able to use. And again, these are very sturdy. They do not feel like they would bend easily or anything. They are one-sided, so I just want to point that out. But the amount of detail on the front is very nice. I think they're very nice quality. So last but not least, I have 2 bags here. These are faceted round natural Madagascar agate gemstone beads, and I have a strand that is 6mm and a strand that is 8mm. So let me pop those out so we can get a good look at these. I think these are so pretty. I was looking at these closely. As soon as they came in, my eye was drawn to these. The purple color, or colors I should say, in these beads are absolutely stunning. So they're agate. You can see all the beautiful different stripes and shades going on in here, plus the fact that they are faceted, so it just makes them look even more glossy and, you know, almost have that kind of wet type look to them. But I just love the various shades, the darks, the lights, even some white and some clear that's mixed in with these. And it's a nice long strand, so it's like one of those 15-inch strands, so you get quite a bit. The 6mm is $8.49 right now on their site, and it does look like these are available from the US warehouse, and the 8mm is $9.34 right now, also available from the US warehouse at this point in time. And they coordinate very, very well. They're going to be great to use together in a project. They make such a beautiful statement, and I can't wait to use these. It says there's 64 pieces of the 6mm and about 48 pieces of the 8mm. Again, they look to be beautiful quality. I don't see any that are cracked and broken, and it's a beautiful variety of vibrant mixed stone beads here. So these are all the things that I got from bbcraft.com for the month of April. I want to thank BB Craft so much for sending these products to me, and it looks like everything is available from the US warehouse at the time that I'm shooting this video, except for these cabochons. But again, just keep checking back if that's something you're really interested in. Plus, I think they have some other assortments too, so maybe there is something available that will work for you at this time. Also, don't forget to use the code GINA2019 to get $5 off your order of $40 or more right now. That's GINA2019, and that will get you $5 off your order of $40 or more. So definitely take advantage of that. I can't wait to be back to show you what I've made with some of these items, so definitely stay tuned. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and being with me today. I look forward to sharing some more unboxings, more jewelry hauls, more finished projects with you, all those fun things very soon, so stay tuned. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. Check out the information section under the video for links to my social media handles and other helpful info, and feel free to check out my shop at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!